Here's a tasty tip you wish you knew sooner. Say goodbye to bland veggies, spruce up your salads, your soups, your pastas. If you have leftover charcuterie meat, you are in the flavor making business. Hi, I'm Getty, fresh food educator, and today I want to show you how to turn this charcuterie meat into an amazing flavor booster. Let's get going. When they've changed colors, on the one side, you flip them and let them go on the other side. So this takes maybe 1 to 2 minutes per side, so it's quite quick. When they're done, take them and place them on a paper towel. As they cool, they're gonna crisp up, and then you get to crumble them into beautiful, delicious little morsels. Flip it. Take them off the heat. Flip. Fried charcuterie meat. You can store these in a fridge in an airtight container for several weeks. You can add them to just about everything. Imagine baked potatoes or a pasta dish or your salads or your veggies. Drop me a line below. Where would you use these little tasty morsels? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is gonna be so good. Oh. If you love flavor, make these little bombs and follow, because I got plenty more tips for you coming up soon.